Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my part 2 to my Aliexpress haul. We'll start with the small ones first. When I say small, I mean small. And I thought the butterflies were small. Look at these tiny little fish. I'm not sure I can even hit to do that. Look at this. And I think those are some kind of sea creature. I got them for the fish. Because my daughter loves goldfish and I was going to make her a necklace. But yeah, those are tiny. This one is another moon and star, which is pretty deep. You see the size of the deepness? That's the size it looks like with the tape. Not very big, but it's nicely made. And I will show you all the prices and so forth. I bought these because I make my keychains. It came with the eye screws and the chain and the ring. I was supposed to get 50, but I only got 49, so they cheated me out of one. Bad. Okay, and this is a moon tapestry. And I don't know, it's 95, 73 centimeters. I can't remember what it was in inches, but it comes with the hooks and so forth to hang it up. This is a little picture from the advertisement, I'm assuming. So hey, fly. I'm outside, by the way. I'm doing some hauls today. This is very nice. Quite good shape, good size. I got the moon, of course. Gotta have my moon and stars. It's a really nice size. And most of the time, these things all come in one big bag. For some reason, they send them that way. I don't know, but they do. Some more moon and stars. Am I obsessed? Possibly. But that's the way, the size of it besides my tape. Like I said, I don't have nothing else to measure it by. But those are really cool. Now these came from the same store. Great molds, but she sent me the wrong one on one of them. The others came perfectly the way I ordered them. Oh, look, a little leaf fell. This one is a necklace. You'd think it was fall the way these leaves are falling on me. Go away, little And I got a pin mold. I wanted to try to make some pins, ballpoint pins. Some stars and moons and hearts, sequins to put in my resin work. And you don't know how hard it is to find a good size star. It's so hard to find them. For some reason they don't like to make them. I don't know why, but I finally found one. And that's a pretty good size. And dip. Now here's where she messed up. I ordered a butterfly. I wanted a butterfly mold. I got a bee instead. So I wrote her back and I'm like, I ordered a butterfly. It shows it on my order. Why did you send me a bee? So she kindly says, well, I will send you a butterfly out and I'm extremely sorry. So that was really nice of her. So that of my Aliexpress haul. So I hope everyone's doing great. Have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Blessed be.